Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Karmakar's Kitchen, and I'm your host Shruti Karmakar. So today I'm going to make Chana Masala, which is a very famous North Indian dish and very popular in my family as well, and the taste is just awesome. You must try it at home. So before I start, I must thank you all for your love and support. Keep watching my videos and like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. So to begin with the recipe, let's see what are the ingredients we need. Make chana masala. Here I have taken 300 grams of chickpeas or kabli chana, washed and soaked overnight with water. Ingredients that we're gonna need is turmeric powder half teaspoon, coriander powder 1.5 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 heap teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon, ginger powder 1 teaspoon, and amchur powder 1 teaspoon as well. Some whole spices like 3-4 pods of cardamom, 2 pieces of cinnamon stick, and 3-4 pieces of cloves. Ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoon. Tomato puree 1 medium sized tomato. Handful of kasuri methi, 1 tea bag, 2 green chilies, ginger julienne, ghee about 1 tablespoon. We are also going to need chopped onions about 2 medium size. You can replace it with onion paste. Beaten yogurt about 1/4 cup and dash of hing or asafoetida for tarka. Now combine all the dry spices together in a bowl and make a special spice mix for the chana masala. This is an aromatic blend of spices, actual masala for chole bhature. Ginger powder, dry mango powder, that is amchur powder, along with kasuri methi or dry fenugreek leaves are the game changer in this recipe, so do not forget them. Give it a nice mix and keep it aside for later use. Now it's time to pressure cook the chickpeas. I have an electric pressure cooker, so I'm adding the chanas into the inner pot of the cooker. Now I'm adding water, just enough to cover the chickpeas. Adding salt 1 teaspoon. And here goes the tea bag. You can add 2 tea bags for better darkening of chanas. And here I'm adding all the whole spices, cardamom, cinnamon sticks and cloves. I'm also adding baking powder. This will help soften the chanas from inside. And I don't want this piece of paper tag while I'm boiling the chana, so I'm removing it. Now this is all set to go for boiling. And here goes the pot inside the cooker. Cover and lock the lid. If you have a conventional pressure cooker, then pressure cook till 5 to 6 whistles. In my electric cooker, I am setting the time to 5 minutes. So while the chickpeas are boiling, let's prepare the gravy for the chana masala. Add half a cup of oil and heat it nicely in the wok. Then I'm adding the onion into it. Now we have to saute it on a high flame for some time till it gets translucent. After a while, when onions turns glassy, I'm gonna add ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix it nicely and cook till the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes away. And now I'm adding the spice mix that I made earlier. Stir and give it a nice mix. We need to roast the masala for 3 to 4 minutes. We can see the masala has turned nice and brown. Now I'm going to add the yogurt into it, beaten yogurt, 1/4 cup. Cook the yogurt and the masala together for 3 to 4 minutes. Lower the flame while adding yogurt or it may split. Now it's time to add tomato puree or tomato paste and mix it nicely with the gravy. Guys, you must be thinking that I haven't added salt yet. So now I'm gonna add salt to taste and then allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes under cover or till it releases oil. While the gravy is cooking, let's check on the chickpeas. My chickpeas are perfectly boiled. It has got a nice brown color, you can see. I'm removing the tea bag now and I'm gonna squeeze one and show you how soft it is from inside, and yet it has retained its shape. It's just perfect. So back to the gravy. It's been cooking for some time and has released oil, we can see. So now I'm adding the boiled chanas or chickpeas into it along with the water we used for boiling. Mix it up with the gravy nicely. If you wish, you can mash some of the chanas to get thicker consistency, but I'm not gonna do that because here my masala consistency is just the way I want it. It's perfect. Now comes my favorite herb, kasuri methi or dry fenugreek leaves. Just a handful I'm adding. If you like, you can dry roast kasuri methi before adding into the gravy. Some sugar just to balance the taste. It's optional. Cover and reduce the heat to the lowest and we will prepare for the tempering. So I'm adding ghee in a small pan I use for tarka. When the ghee is nice and hot, I'm gonna add ginger juliennes into it and then some green chilies. 2 sliced green chilies I have added, and dash of hing or asafoetida. Add this aromatic tempering into the chana masala and we are done here. Our chana masala or chole masala is ready for plating. It goes well with bhatura, puri, paratha or naan. Enjoy this restaurant style chole at home and remember me. So how did you like the recipe? Do let me know in the comment box below. And once again, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with a new recipe next week. Till then, take a good care of yourself. Bye-bye.